Careful with that one, it's heavy.
I've got it. Let's move this cart along.
Move that pallet to the left. We need room for the next shipment.
Ahí, en el hueco. La última. Listo, quedó bien.
Welcome back, everyone. Have a safe shift.
Thanks, you too. Hey, did you see the new schedule?
Yeah, it looks busy.
Welcome back. Please sign in here on the tablet.
Thank you. Everything looks in order.
We have an issue with the sorting machine.
I am adjusting the controls now.
Alignment is off slightly. There, that should fix the flow.
Quality check on this bunch.
Looks perfect. Next box.
Watch the third jet, it's spraying too wide.
Okay, adjusting it now. How's that look? Check this one, it's Bruce.
Yeah, toss it.
These look perfect.
Yeah, the color is spot on. Ready for the belt.
This batch is looking excellent. Agreed, the quality is spot on today.
Okay, bring it in now. Clear on this side, keep coming back. Watch the top crates.
Quality check passed. Okay, move this container out.
We need to speed up the intake on belt 3. Copy that, adjusting the flow now.
Is the pressure gauge set correctly?
Yes, it looks good. We sealed the first batch.
This one has a bubble.
Okay, put it aside. The rest look good for packaging.
We need 3 more for this box.
Got it. They look good today.
The assembly line is fully operational. We are transitioning to the packing stage now.
Acknowledged. The Delta arms are running at peak efficiency.
Bay 3 is secured. Manifest confirmed, seal applied. You're clear for departure.